Most people get this wrong. They assume all VPNs are created equal. But the surprising truth is that Browsk offers a unique balance of speed, privacy, and ease of use that's perfect for casual users. Here's my hands-on review. Browsk VPN is available as a browser extension, mobile app, and desktop application. It allows you to mask your IP address, encrypt your connection, and access geo-restricted content. For example, I tested it while streaming a platform restricted in my country, and it works seamlessly without buffering or speed drops. One thing most people overlook is security. Browsk uses strong encryption to protect your data, and their privacy policy is clear. They don't track your browsing history. While it's not as feature-packed as premium VPNs like NordVPN, it's simpler and faster for everyday users. The interface is extremely user-friendly. You just select a server location and connect. There are free and premium options, with premium offering faster speeds, more server locations, and better streaming performance. For casual browsing and occasional streaming, the free plan is surprisingly sufficient. In conclusion, Browsk VPN is ideal for users who want a simple, reliable, and privacy-focused VPN without complicated settings. If your priority is ease of use and access to restricted content, it's a solid choice. Subscribe for more honest reviews of VPNs and online privacy tools.